I'm buying two new stocks today, Hecla Mining, ticker HL, and Costamare Shipping, ticker CMRE. Hey, Ross Givens here, a trader of more than 20 years, and every single Tuesday I put out a video like this, sharing my top 2 investment ideas, stocks that are buyable right now with big upside and leading groups we can get in and keep a very tight risk. So if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Now, the best and simplest way to know where to look is to focus on the leading groups in the market. You see, when big funds, hedge funds, pension funds, endowments, big multi-billion-dollar Wall Street shops, when they're buying stocks in a given area, they're buying so much that those areas are going to rise faster than the others. And so if you can focus on which sectors continuously are outperforming the market over 1 and 2 and 3 and 6 month periods, you know where to focus. It's like fishing from a stocked pond, and every bull market has a theme to it. Right now, the theme is crystal clear, and it is hard assets. That's going to be primarily metals and energy. So on the metals side, you see the leading groups. We have gold miners, the mining and metals sector, mining and metals, rare earths, gold miners, steel. This is the top 7 out of 40 subsectors, and almost all of them are made up out of these groups. On the energy side, you have nuclear and uranium. Nuclear and uranium, we had lithium and solar over here a few months back that are continuing to still run at a pretty good pace. So this is where we want to focus. Now, if you're not already a member, click the link in the description or go to tradewithross.com. I'll give you something that's the best $5 you'll ever spend. For $5, you get an entire year of my Black Ops Trading membership. And with that, you get live weekly mentoring sessions, an hour session every week with me for a year. You'll get access to this industry strength indicator so you can keep abreast of which areas are leading the market. You'll get my weekly newsletter, access to my team, bonus picks, a ton of more stuff. So click the link in the description or go to tradewithross.com to get signed up. Again, just $5. So we're going to look at these areas. Now, the nuclear space is a bit extended. Most of the decent stocks here are up 20, 30, 40% in the last couple of weeks. And buying extended stocks is a recipe for getting into the top. It just takes you more risk than you need to bring on. So there's 2 stocks I'm going to focus on today, and they are as follows. Number 1, Hecla Mining, ticker HL. Now, this has been an absolute monster for the last 6 months. It soared from $5 to $35, had a nasty little pullback, and it's going to happen when we got the metals sell-off like we got last week with silver and gold. But a universal rule when it comes to breakout investing. Okay, if you're buying breakout stocks, meaning you're letting the thing rise, come up, compress, shallow, give you a nice tight entry point, you always buy the first touch of the 50-day simple moving average. Okay, just put this in your quiver of tricks there. Always buy the first dip to the 50 SMA. The odds are vastly stacked in your favor by doing so. So you've got a little bit of a support resistance area kind of right in here where it stalled back in December and January, giving a retest of that. This dashed line here in the middle is also the 50-day moving average. So I'm going to go ahead and take a position in Hecla Mining. It is a leading stock. It's got a relative strength rating of 99 out of 100. It has big earnings, big sales, leading group, leading area. Don't need a whole lot of excuses to buy this stock. So I'm going to get in and just risk 10%. So let's go ahead and take this trade. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick up a couple hundred shares. The bid-ask spread is super tight, 22.38 by or 22.42 by 43. So we're going to take them to the market. We'll go ahead and buy, maybe 200 shares. And then I'm going to put a stop loss in at about 10% below the current price. So that's going to put me right down here at about $20.10. That should probably give me enough room. So I'll put a stop in at $20.10, and a sell stop order is on the books. If it hits 2010, it will sell automatically. I'd rather take a 10% loss than a 40 or 50%. Set this good till canceled so the order stays on the books. Go ahead and hit the buy button, send the order, and we are long 200 shares of Hecla Mining at $22.38, okay? Now, the next stock is in the shipping industry. And if you look at the 1 month chart up here in the top left, notice the shipping group coming out of nowhere showing a ton of strength. Now, typically I like to see these areas lead for a couple of months, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, want to see them rise up. But I'm going to take an early stab at one of these. And the company is Costamare, ticker CMRE. Now, we can see it's not a perfect breakout, but it does look pretty clean here. It had The main characteristics we look for is the strong rise in price, in this case, about a 50% move in a month, a shallowing action here, got a little dip, but came right back, tightened up nicely, broke out yesterday on Monday, had about a 3% move, closed at the highs, decent volume, pulling back a bit today. 10 cents, 20 cents, nothing to get worried about. So I'm going to go ahead and buy this here. Again, new leading group, hoping this thing takes off. I'm not going to take a ton of risk. I'm going to work a stop just here below the 50-day moving average at about $15.70 for about a 7.5% risk. So the ADR, the average daily range of this stock, is about 3% from low to high. So I'm giving it about three bad days before it has to tag me out. So I'll go ahead and buy this one too. Again, just going to take a couple hundred shares of this. I'll do it as a limit, 17 even. Pick it up 200 shares. Only reason I'm doing a limit order, if you look up here in the top left, the buy-sell spread is about 10 cents wide. No sense taking a 10-cent hit, so I'll try to split the middle and put it at 17 bucks. Going to put in a stop-loss order at, was it 15.70? Make that good till canceled. Very important. Always make your stop good till canceled. Otherwise, it's going to be a day order. And if it doesn't hit your stop today, that order will disappear off the books tomorrow, and you'll have all that risk in front of you. Okay, so 200 shares. Might as well make this, 200 is fine. Just take a small position here. Go ahead and buy this in the order. See if it's going to fill me there at that limit. Move it up a couple cents. 1708. There we go. All right, so we're in Costamare. So that's the two trades today. Costamare CMRE and Hecla Mining, ticker symbol HL. Now, again, that $5 YouTube special is still active. Click the link. It's an entire year. My Black Ops membership. I promise you're going to get 1,000 times your value out of that. If you don't, let me know. I'll send you your $5 back myself. And be sure to subscribe to the channel because we do these videos every single Tuesday.